This is the Cove Road Mobility Project for the City of Sanford. Hello, we are Team 14. Our team had the amazing opportunity to work with the City of Sanford for this project in order to create a design for Cove Road. Our design will revolve around implementing ADA standards, including on-street parking, improving sidewalks, and providing a bicycle-friendly environment. We are excited to show our whole designing process for our final design. Now, the project overview. The target of interest for this project will be the entire length of Cove Road, expanding from the Elm Street Shippen Ave intersection to the Weed Ave Cove Road intersection. Some notable places located on Cove Road are Chelsea Piers, K.T. Murphy School, and Cove Island Park. Existing conditions. Here on this slide, we can see the issues that Cove Road has and can be found throughout the whole road. In the first picture on the left-hand side, it is shown that there are no ADA standard traction pads at the crosswalk intersections. The ADA traction pads are required by law as it will aid and benefit people with disabilities. In the second picture shown in the middle, we have a utility pole and a bus stop sign that obstructs the crossing passage for pedestrians. This can be problematic for people in wheelchairs to get around. Now, in the last picture to the right, shows no curb or sidewalk. This is problematic for pedestrians to walk on the side of the road. Also, without proper curbing, the rain runoff will flow into private right-of-way. Design alternatives. Through our alternate design phase, a lot of pros and cons were made. Pros included encouraging people to ride bikes, providing a quieter street for residents, widening roads, and creating more space for pedestrians and green space, blending both bicycle lane and on-street parking into one design, considering all road users, and being a balance point in all considerations and an optimal solution. Cons, however, included promoting people to drive, reducing the likelihood of bicycle users, making the road too narrow for buses and trucks, potentially affecting local businesses, making the area less convenient to residents, and creating a wider road that will create cars to speed. Final design. The final conceptual design will also attempt to consider all road users and the community as a whole. On-street parking, road width, sidewalk width, and green space will be considered. Due to few people riding bikes on the street, we will consider making the road with shared lanes instead of designing separate bike lanes. A balance point and optimal solution will be created at a high level of safety, and site mobility will be a part of this final design as well. Final design AutoCAD drawings. The City of Sanford is interested in creating a more bicycle-friendly environment on Cove Road, but due to the available area of the road, our team's decision was to design the road to be a shared space for both bicyclists and motor vehicles by implementing shared lane symbols throughout the road on both sides. As seen in the image, the symbol will be designed with a width of 3 feet 3 inches and a length of 9 feet 3 inches. As you can see in this image, this is how the shared road symbol will be implemented on Cove Road, showing people that the road will be shared by both bicyclists and vehicles. On the Blockley Road and Cove Road intersection, there is already implemented ADA standard crosswalks. This design consists of a crosswalk constructed with brick pavers, as shown in the red, and then overlaid with striped pavement markings shown in the white. The width of the crosswalk is designed with a width of 6 feet and will stretch across between the ADA standard tactical pads. Our team's proposed crosswalks for Cove Road will follow the same design. In this section of Cove Road, there are crosswalks implemented, but they are not to ADA standards. In this drawing, we are proposing to reconstruct it similarly shown in the previous slide. In these images, we are proposing ADA standard crosswalks to be built at these specific locations. Here we have a proposed on-street parking design. The parking will be designed to be 8 feet wide from the curb, with 20 feet length individual spots and 22 length individual spots on the ends. Nearing the crosswalk intersection, a hatch parking chicane will be implemented as well. Last but not least, on this slide, our team is proposing sidewalks throughout Cove Road that are shown in gray in these drawings. These slides will be designed to have a width of 5 feet and will uphold all ADA standards. This concludes Group 14's presentation for the Cove Road Mobility Project for the City of Stamford. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed our presentation.